Hello friends! Today we will discuss about cricket. So let's know all about cricket. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's see the history of cricket. The first game of cricket ever recorded took place in Kent in 1646. It became England's national sport in the 18th century and has developed globally in the 19th and 20th centuries. Let's know something about the cricket pitch. The size of the cricket field may vary, but the pitch is always rectangular in shape of 20.12 meters in length and 3.05 meters in width. The popping or batting crease is marked 1.22 meters in front of the stumps at either end, with the stumps set along the bowling crease. The pitch's line width is 2.5 centimeters and white in color. Now let's talk about wicket. Subscribe. In cricket, the wicket is one of the two sets of three stumps and two bails at either ends of the pitch. The wickets are 28 inches tall and 9 inches wide. Apart from that, two wooden bails are 13 millimeters wide and 111 millimeters long. The wicket is guarded by a batsman who, with its bat, attempts to prevent the ball from hitting the wicket. Overview. The aim of the game is to score more runs than the opposing team. Runs are the scoring units in cricket. Innings. A match is divided into innings. During an inning, one team bats while the other team does the fielding and bowling. Fielding and bowling. The fielding team will have a bowler bowl the ball to the batsman who tries to hit the ball with his or her bat. The fielding team tries to get the batsman out. Batting. Batting is an act of hitting the ball with bat to score runs or prevent the loss of one's wicket. Over. Like. In cricket, an over consists of 6 legal balls bowled by a single bowler from one end of the cricket pitch to the batsman at the other end. Runs. A run is running the length of the pitch and is a basic means of scoring, as the team with the most runs wins. Out. There are 10 ways a batsman can be out. 5 are very common and 5 are very rare. More often, a batsman will be caught, bowled, given a leg before wicket, that is LBW, run out or stumped. Awards and trophy. There are many awards and trophies given by the Cricket Foundation to the player or the team for their outstanding performance in the sport. Most honored awards are Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Dronacharya Award.